Hello guys! Ngayon ay Sabado, so mag-volunteer kami dito sa simbahan. What church is this?
Holy. You don't know?
Holy Family. Holy Family Church. So dito kami ngayon kasi may event. What do you call this? Event?
It's a festival.
Is a festival. So dito, ito yung linya ng Asian Pearl of the Orient. Ito yung sa Filipino food. Dito yung sa mga Vietnamese. Ito dito. Tapos dito naman banda. Doon. See, I'm gonna walk here. Then dito ang ano. Diyan sila. Mamaya yata may mga ilalagay dyan ng mga souvenir. Ay ano ba yan? Mamaya na. Silent. May mga auction pala. Tapos yan. Doon yung margarita. Mamaya ito, kami ang maaga kami nagpunta kasi magrarap kami ng lumpia. Kasi yung apo ko dito ay nag-schooling dito. At dito naman, ewan ko, may mga ipalaro yata dito banda. So ito ang pangalawang araw. So dito guys, masyado kaming maaga pagpunta. Kasi ang schedule lang sa amin is 9 to 2. So ito yung first aid. So nag-video na lang ako para habang wala pang gaanong tao kasi mamaya busy na. Tsaka mainit ngayon. Mainit daw ngayong araw na to. So dito in action. Fish printing. What's in here on the table? This is Family Festival Silent. Oh, Holy Family Silent Auction. So parang nasa carnival tayo. Dito yata ay this is where you claim your prize, right? Yeah. So I decide to take a video kasi wala pang tao. At least makikita mo yung mga table, mga boat. Diba? Oh. Ito dito. Last week doon kami sa kabilang. Hey, where did we go last weekend? Huh? Last weekend, the event. The wine.
Oh,
in Santa Clara. So, last week, nasa Santa Clara Wine Festival kami. Kasi, patapos na yung summer. Kaya, ganito pag summer dito, maraming mga ganito. Yung mga live band. Kaya lang ang parking ang mahirap. Tayo. Are we going to church tomorrow?
Yeah.
What time? Let's see. If I can't go, I just go online mass. Okay, so... Oh, is that your name?
Huh?
Like sounds your name in Sassy?
What?
That name?
What?
Oh, that's the fish ba? Fish pond. Okay, see. Ang pinakamaraming tao dito mamaya mga after lunch na. Mga 2 to 3. So, wala ka lang maparkingan din. Ako gusto ko nang umuwi ng maaga. Dahil mabuboard ako. Doon kami sa may... What is that place? Where we gonna wrap the lumpia?
The Nipa hut?
No. Inside. What do you call this?
I don't care what you're saying.
The building. Where we eat the donut after church.
I don't know what it's called. Community center?
Yeah, community center. Doon kami sa loob. Dito yata yung live band. Ewan ko. Do you think you're gonna play rock and roll?
I don't like
So crowded, ha? So nice. So dito, last week kasi sumaya, na-delete lang yung video ko. So sumaya pa naman. Yeah. The Bradley family. Bradley family. Yes.
Oh, you see look over there.
What? Wow, first time ko magsalita dito sa sa video ko. Kasi nga, Tagalog. Huwag tayo mag-English kasi baka magkabali-mali tayong English. Alam mo naman, ang English ko, doon lang yan sa bagay lang yun sa nakakaintindi ng English ko. Meron akong 10 English. Wow. Oh, there's another, the other side. Dito yung church. For sure, this side is crowded later. See, look. It's a game. Just for you. Look. Goldie is right there. What?
That's a teddy bear.
Yeah, why you?
See, I
Goldie.
actually want to participate in these type of games.
Yeah, before you like this. Oh my God. It's for the kids. Did you win when you play
No.
like that? Never.
Well, I could
Why?
try winning.
And the guys is boring. Kasi nga may ito pang maaga. Alam.
Oh, look. Mia.
Hmm?
You want to try that?
Yeah, I tried it before.
The fun slide?
Yeah, but it's big. The one that I took is bigger than that.
That sounds like the most American.
Let's go back there. Okay, ito lang muna guys kasi ay na-bored na ako. Mamaya din masyadong mainit mamaya. So it's gonna be hot later.
Oh, wait, just do more.
No, there's nothing in there. Balik na kami. Hindi ko alam kung makasimba ako bukas. Depende. Kasi kagabi natin. What time you sleep last night?
I slept at 11:30.
Oh, I think I went to bed about almost 3 o'clock in the morning.
Why? 8 o'clock.
Remember? I took a shower. I do my laundry 10 o'clock last night. Then I take shower. Okay. Guys, this is it. See you later. Okay. Happy weekend sa lahat. And God bless.